guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair. Firstly, I would request you to please subscribe the channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do amazing videos on super easy and super quick food, training and information. So let's go and hear what we are cooking today. So today we are doing a keto treat coffee. Yes, this coffee has to be had maximum twice a week, not more than that, because it is little extra in calories, but at the same time it promotes a high level of ketosis. So let's go and see the recipe. Coffee powder, 2 tablespoons Amul fresh cream, liquid stevia, 1 tablespoon ghee, 1.5 tablespoon butter, water, and now I'm going to add my coffee powder to it. That's about half a teaspoon. There you go. And our black coffee is ready. Now I'm going to take a blender. In a blender, first I'm going to add my coffee. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee, that's clarified butter. Next I'm going to add is butter. Last I'm going to add is cream and 6 drops of stevia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And our keto treat coffee is ready. See the froth? It looks so creamy and delicious. So our keto treat coffee is ready. The benefits for having the same: first, because it's a keto treat, that means it tastes extremely delicious. Second, it promotes cognitive function, that means it gives more clarity. The time you're feeling a little dull and your mood is a little low, this is going to give your energy levels really up. Third, it promotes weight loss to a great extent because it puts you into ketosis, or if you're into ketosis, it puts you deeper into the stage of ketosis. So yes, it's a perfect treat for you. Thank you so much for watching our video. See you next time.